KneeSEAT. This well-designed support tool for knees and ankles promises to deliver secure portable seating while squatting. Constructed with a metal frame and secured by twin nylon harnesses, the KneeSEAT provides stability. Its lightweight build of 3.9 pounds or 1.8 kilograms makes it effortless to move about with it. KneeSEAT's primary goal is amplifying comfort when working on your knees over extended periods. It provides comfort to your neck and back during these periods of kneeling or sitting, with the option to use either one or two at once. Conveniently designed with straps, it remains in place even when you're engaged in tasks that require regular shifting between standing and kneeling positions, allowing you to keep it on for an extended time. Quadsaw. Just as its name suggests, the Quadsaw is a tool accessory featuring 4 toothed blades arranged in a square pattern. It's designed to function as a user-friendly box cutter for creating square openings for things like power outlets and light switches. It comes with a degree of flexibility and features an accessory to support dust removal tools, enhancing its user-friendliness. This greatly minimizes the creation of potentially harmful dust when making square socket holes, providing protection for you and less tidying up. It's engineered with professionals in mind and intended for use on building sites. It even has the capacity to perforate through dual layers of drywall as thick as 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters. Not only does it guarantee flawlessly square or rectangular holes every single time, but it also executes them at a speed 4 times quicker than any substitute method. This results in massive savings in terms of work hours, translating in financial savings for you. Pivit. The Pivit serves as a versatile ladder accessory, functioning as an adaptable step, podium, and workspace. It can be situated beneath the ladder to provide balance and reduce the probability of any collapse. The clever construction enables it to boost a ladder's steadiness on steps, bootyman rooftops, and even inclined terrain. Additionally, it can be affixed straight onto the ladder, allowing it to fulfill various functions, like a shelf for storing items on the ladder, a jack for the ladder, or a standoff. Numerous rubber fasteners prevent any potential sliding, while the anti-slip surface on top, durable polypropylene, enhances safety and stability when using ladders. It has an impressive maximum support weight of 500 pounds or 220 kilograms, surpassing the usual rating set for ladders. Debarker Pro. Refashion your chainsaw smoothly into a debarker, planer, or notcher, since it can be effortlessly attached to any saw bar. This ingenious gadget is a helping hand for all your construction needs, as it allows you to create holes for structures such as barns, bridges, and fences. This brilliant contraption aids in the removal of bark, filth, and remains, making it the perfect enhancement when you need to clean up cut logs. These clean logs can then be further stripped down, shaped according to preference, or put together into plywood. The operational mechanism involves a 3.8-inch or 9.5 centimeter pitch chain that powers a drum equipped with 2 planer blades, each measuring 3.25 inches or 8.3 centimeters. The design also boasts ball bearing construction, ensuring longevity and durability of use. Real Avid Carbon Boss AR-15. This innovative multifunctional device is engineered to maintain, purify, and preserve your Armalite 15 assault rifle, made from non-tempered stainless steel. The Carbon Boss excels in removing carbon residue from 13 distinct areas on the bolt carrier, firing pin, and bolt cam pin. This gadget outperforms all other comparable tools available due to its speed and efficiency. It's armed with a patented brush that easily spins to scrub the bolt clean. Upon purchasing this toolkit, you will be gifted an assortment of precise cleaning instruments, along with a ballistic nylon pouch for secure storage and hassle-free portability. The Pitch Hopper. The Pitch Hopper is a detachable leveling platform designed to be fastened onto an inclined or uneven surface, providing a steady and level standing area. This unique device has the capability of bearing up to 250 pounds or 113 kilograms, while itself weighing just 7 pounds or 3 kilograms. Simply pick up your Pitch Hopper and move freely with its intuitive handheld design. Every Pitch Hopper features symmetrical grip spots on both sides. It's a breeze to maneuver your feather-light but exceptionally robust wedge across the roof surface surface. To set the tool in place, just align the base with the roofing shingles and exert force to achieve a strong attachment. This is enabled by an exclusive blend of foam that is attached to the wedge itself. The foam underside forms an adhesive relationship with asphalt shingles once weight and friction come into play. Motorcycle stand. If you're looking for a versatile bike stand, then look no further. With this motorcycle stand, you can securely support your motorcycles on any terrain type, from unsteady concrete to rugged asphalt. Specifically designed for Ducati motorcycles, it provides steady anchorage while parked or during transportation. This unique device, armed with dual wheels on each of its side stands, streamlines the core of moving your motorbike about, enabling frontward, rearward, and lateral locomotion. The enchantment behind the system lies within its wheels design. These spherical wheels are adorned with miniature rollers that let them traverse in two axes simultaneously. The omnidirectional characteristic of this apparatus permits you not only to steer your bike virtually any way you fancy, but also to navigate it into smaller, more confined niches in your garage. Adjustable ratcheting socket tool. The versatile ratchet socket instrument is a flexible multifunctional tool operating as both an all-encompassing ratchet and an adaptable wrench, not to forget its function as a clamp. The dual-use wrench, featuring two different socket sizes positioned back to back, provides a pivoting head that securely locks in place at 30-degree increments. The adjustable feature of its hand ensures easy access to bolts located at the base of pipes. Both socket sizes of 1.25 and 1 inch, or 3 and 2.54 centimeters, are engineered with a 12-point design, which aids the sockets in gripping and holding power for construction and pipeline tasks. The robust construction is seen in the precisely built cast steel sockets. This design promises accuracy tailored for heavy-duty workloads. Furthermore, the ratchet engagement's unique structure results in fluid operation, along with swift reversal actions, adding more fun while working on your projects. Concrete form board bracket batter boss. Designed for a single user, it allows the positioning and modification of wooden molds, rebar, and stakes made of both wood and metal. This tool replaces the need for a batter board or frame. The unique feature of this system is how it reduces the quantity of materials traditionally required in masonry procedures, while its bracket tool shrinks both workforce size and time investment needed to position these molds. The tool offers swift yet sturdy attachments directly onto concrete form panels, making them highly suitable for use with smooth aluminum surfaces or bricks without rough textures. An added advantage is that they have secure safety lock mechanisms, ensuring pins remain firmly attached, providing an extra layer of security. Saker Multifunction Scribing Tool. The Saker Multi-Purpose Scriber gadget is a versatile marking instrument designed to effortlessly leave marks on wooden and tile surfaces. It's cleverly built to navigate around tricky spots, such as bumps, holes, and corners with ease. It offers adaptability by allowing you to alter its form based on your specific requirements, achieved simply by adjusting the tightness of the pencil holder and nut. This enables it to take on different shapes, fulfilling diverse demands and needs. The device can be securely locked in place post-adjustment to ensure pinpoint accuracy. Constructed from superior quality aluminum alloy and topped with an anodic oxidation treatment, this scriber provides durability. At a light weight of 0.22 pounds, it boasts over 15 distinctive marking applications like paving and tiling, stud walls, and paneling projects. Deck Pro. The Deck Pro is a versatile tool, primarily designed for decking and board fittings. Originating from Sweden, this portable gadget can be affixed to a wooden plank and is equipped with a measuring tool along with two angular tubes. The function of these cylindrical containers is to secure screws for easy insertion, making hidden fastenings simple to apply. With the Deck Pro installer gadget, you can require just a single decking instrument without any regard for the expanse of the board. The handy spacers that come with it effortlessly adjust the gap between boards from 0.11 to 0.29 inches or 3 to 7.5 millimeters, uniquely adaptable to all prevalent decking boards, ranging from 3.3 to 5.9 inches or 85 to 150 millimeters. This robust Deck Pro tool is capable of enduring a minimum direct load of at least 220 pounds or 100 kilograms, a feat unrivaled in today's market. PRO R19 Hamertacker. The Hamertacker from Rapid Pro R19 is a device that bears resemblances to a standard stapler, but it employs staples of 0.1 to 0.2 inches or 4 to 6 millimeters in size, which are forcibly applied onto the target object in need of fastening with a weight of 0.9 pounds or 410 grams. This tool is designed for simple installation of items such as posters and insulation plastic without requiring any screws or nails for the purpose. With its uncomplicated loading mechanism at the bottom and a handle designed for comfortable grip boost productivity, the Pro R19 is made of robust steel, prolonging its operational lifespan. Knee blades. Similar to the KneeSEAT earlier in this video, knee blades offers a different take on knee protection by being compact, round pads with roller blades fixed onto them. This design prioritizes mobility over the conventional stability found in traditional knee pads. These devices boast the ability to swivel a complete 360 degrees without needing to leave the ground. And with just a simple button press, you can switch from knee blade mode to knee pad. Each of these convenient tools weigh only 3 pounds or 1.3 kilograms and is securely strapped onto the wearer's legs. Sali drill plate cutter. Our last tool, the Sali drill plate cutter, doubles as an ordinary drill and a steel cutter for the spinning drill component. This plate cutter is capable of slicing through metal sheets, ceramic tiles, and plastic materials with ease. The metallic slicer comes equipped with an alignment notch, capable of achieving exact measurements. This feature aids in accurately slicing numerous metal pieces. It's user-friendly and boasts a swift cutting pace, thanks to its double speed function and fast head, which ultimately saves you time and effort. If you enjoyed this video, click on the video on the right of the screen for more content like this.